Hey besties! So today we are going to take a look at some stuff that Maniology sent over. I always love when Maniology sends stuff over. I love stamping. I really need to do it more. But there is a nice little discount you guys can take advantage of. Buy 4, get 1 free. You could scan that QR code. I love stamping though, especially once you get it down. There's something so satisfying about it. And oh my gosh, look at this shirt that Maniology sent me. So they do make different Maniology shirts. They are made to order, so it will delay your shipping just a tad bit if you do order this. They got shirts, they got sweaters, they got a ton of super cute stuff. And I am loving this shirt. It is everything. The next item I picked out are these super cute little holographic lace bats. I have never seen stickers like these. Look at how pretty that shift is. And even though they're bats, I feel like because it's got the lace on it, you could kind of use these any time of year. Like, it doesn't just have to be around Halloween time because it's bats, you know? Oh, I think these are super cute. The next item I got is a stamping plate. It is NPM440 and it is a super cute Old English stamping plate. So it's got the capital Old English and then the lowercase. It's got some little hearts and stars and got your numbers. Very cute. I love some Old English like lettering and stuff. So the fact that they had a stamping plate of this, oh, this is everything. Trying to hand draw this, man, that is a no-go. And this stamping plate, oh my goodness, you guys. I am obsessed with this one. So this is NPM429. And this is a Paisley bandana stamping plate. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am freaking obsessed with this. I love every single design on this stamping plate. This is so cute. I am obsessed with like the Paisley print and like the bandana print. And I've done some bandana nails where like I draw out the bandana print by hand, which I can do very good, I must say. Not trying to toot my own horn. I mean, toot. But being able to stamp this just makes it so much easier. And I really like that some of these are the bigger designs. So if you have longer nails, you can stamp the whole nail without having to like piece together the different designs, you know what I mean? Oh, I love this plate. I do need to get a bigger stamper from Maniology though, because I just have the little ice cube one. So you can't really pick up a super big image, but I want to get their circle one. And then I seen Sandra Sparkly Sets. She has this stamper that you can shrink the image on. Yeah, you heard me right. I definitely need to pick up one of those because that has to be one of the coolest things I have seen. So the first stamping polish I got is Spikes. That is B464. It's just a really pretty shimmery like silverish gray color. But I thought this would be perfect for adding that little bit of like accent color when you're stamping, you know? And it's such a universal color on top of that. The next color is Pumps. This is B463. I love this color, you guys. Look at how pretty and bright pink that is. Super cute. I got Straight Up Black, which is B171. Pretty self-explanatory on this one. But I thought for that Paisley one, I definitely was going to need some black. And this stamping polish was my absolute favorite. I was blown away when I seen this. This is Black Magic and it is B293. And it is the prettiest like gunmetal gray. Like it's like a grayish black, but it's got the holographic shimmers in it. And this is a stamping polish. Look at that. Oh, I love this one. I did not know that they made stamping polishes that look like this. This is absolutely stunning. This is everything. Hands down, favorite stamping polish I have ever gotten. Look at that. Oh, I could just stare at the bottle forever. Absolutely stunning. All right, so now I'm just going to swatch these on top of the bottle really quick, and then we will do a quick little single nail design using some of the stamping polishes and one of the plates. Okay, so taking Loyal from Madame Glam's February collection, the Amour Tints collection, I'm just going to do a single coat covering the entire nail. And then I'm going to use the black magic, and I'm going to do a bunch of the hearts, like different sizes, and just kind of place them around the nail. And then I will take Pumps, that pink one, and we're going to do some of the Old English letters. wanted to show you guys this super cute lint roller I got off Amazon. It came in a little like present box. I thought that was too cute. It came with 2 refills for the lint roller, and I really like this one because it's a mini, but it has a cap on it. Isn't that cute? So I can use it when I'm doing my stamping and just place the cap right back on it when I'm done, and I don't have to worry about it getting covered in a bunch of dust or hairs or anything like that. I thought this was super cool. I will leave this linked down in the description in case any of you guys wanted to pick one of these up for yourself if you are also a fellow stamper enthusiast. Yeah, see, isn't that perfect? It's not super big and bulky. I love this little thing. And then I will leave, of course, everything from today's video listed down in the description as well, along with my discount code. Alright, so I'm going to let this part play out while I just place the hearts, and I will pop back in here in a couple. Oh my gosh, so I just had to pop back in while I was sitting here editing the voiceover. I was watching entitled Karens, like brats think they're above the law, and these people are out of control. But some of them I honestly feel really, really bad for because you can clearly tell that they have a mental disorder, and it's very, very clear in their interactions with the police that they are not all there in their head. And I just think that some of the times the cops need to approach with compassion, and they're lacking in that a lot. And it's kind of hard to watch sometimes. I mean, some of these Karens definitely deserve what they have coming to them, but some of them I just feel so bad for. Again, I do support the police. I just think that not all of them are good, and you can kind of see it in some of these videos. I don't know. Just thought I'd pop in and tell you guys about the drama I was watching though. And then I'm going to take my Maniology smudge-free top coat. It's just a tiny little guy, but it definitely helps to make sure that you don't ruin any of the stamping you just did. You will have to let that air dry. And then I do come in with my Madame Glam No Wipe top coat just to fully seal it up and give it that gel finish.
Monsters come in different shapes and sizes. Small voices singing, set me free.
Look at how cute! I love this. I love the Old English lettering. It has always been one of my favorite fonts, and now I have it in a stamping plate. I love these plates. I love the stamping polishes that I picked. That black magic is everything. I love how cute this nail is. It's so simple, but yet so giving. Oh, so cute. What do you guys think of this nail? I think it is very cute. I'm curious to know which stamping plate you guys liked best too. And that black magic, oh my goodness. Okay, so here again is a once over of everything that they sent over for me. I am just, seriously, I'm obsessed. I cannot stop staring at that black magic. These plates are beautiful. I love everything about them. They are so cute. And that shirt that they sent me, love, 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 love. So a huge thank you to Maniology for sending this stuff over for me to unbox and test out with you guys. I am so sorry about my dog barking, but again, I will leave everything from today's video listed down below for you guys, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, that is it for this one, you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!